Welcome to SourceFed. I'm Joe Beretta. Man, you guys, space, right? 2012 was a crazy year for space. So much space stuff about the final frontier. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah? You don't? Well, for example, a man pretty much jumped from space, broke some world records, click annotation. And we lost Neil Armstrong this year. He was one of the original rough riding rocket jumping space pioneers, click annotation. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you all to join me for SourceFed's 2012 Space Video Retrospective. Take my hand.
I'll protect you.
First up, we covered the Curiosity rover safely landing on Mars, which captivated the world, Twitter, and my face. This was 14 years in the making, kids, and now Mohawk Guy's a celebrity. Click annotation.
After 14 years of planning and $2.5 billion, the 1-ton nuclear-powered Curiosity rover has safely touched down in the Gale crater on our red neighbor. And now the car-sized piece of machinery will begin its initial 2-year mission, which for all intents and purposes is a search for signs of life.
A little later in the year, we made a little viddy-ditty describing that we humans, built something and sent it out of the solar system. The Voyager 1 space probe was built by human hands, shot into space, and now it's about to enter that dark, lonely area between the stars. Also, we talked about a space spider in that video. What a fun bonus. Click annotation.
11 billion miles from the sun, where Voyager 1, a spacecraft launched 35 years ago, is currently traveling at 11 miles per second. The edge of the solar system is being dubbed the magnetic highway and is the final checkpoint before Voyager begins a dark, lonely journey into interstellar space.
We also discovered like 1 billion planets this year, you guys, but 2 specifically stuck out. The first planet is about the size of Earth, but it's like Earth on fire because it's really close to its star, but it's in the Alpha Centauri star system, so it's like a really close neighbor. Yay, fire people neighbors!
The new planet is only 25 trillion miles away, or 4.3 light years. With our current tech, the trip is a pipe dream and would take tens of thousands of years to get there. But you can bet we're gonna start throwing all kinds of rockets and satellites and junk in that direction.
Also, in another video, we covered the Super Earth, which is a planet that is 7 times the size of Earth, and it also kicks it inside the Goldilocks zone around its star, which is the era where a planet can orbit its sun and life as we know it could possibly exist. So, yay, Super Earth neighbors, maybe. Click annotation.
42 light years away is a star called the HD 40307. God, that's a good name.
Give that planet namer a medal.
It's a really good name. I thought he was gonna go 40306.
I know.
Ah!
And finally, 2012 will be the year that we all look back on as the year where privately funded space exploration became a thing. Explorers and world conquerors will no longer have to sit and wait for governments to take the next step because of companies like SpaceX. Click annotation.
At 3:44 this morning, the privately funded company known as SpaceX blasted its Dragon capsule on the back of a Falcon 9 rocket straight up into the space place and officially started the era that I like to call the effing future.
Yeah. And people like James Cameron, who started companies like Planetary Resources, who are going to go mine asteroids. They're gonna mine asteroids. The future is now. Click annotation.
Space science is incredible.
The bottom line here is that these rich nerds are proving that we are not going to stop advancing as a species. We're going to continue to dream and we're going to continue to achieve. We're just going to use some mining robots in the process. Space!
Well, that's it, you guys. Thank you for having the courage to come with me down this journey called SourceFed's 2012 Space Video Retrospective. 2012 was a great year, and that's because of you guys watching our stuff. We sincerely send you our thanks, and here is to 2013 being an even better year. If you want to check out all these space videos, there will be a link in the description to a playlist. You should go there. It's a bunch of fun. I'm Joe Beretta. You're you. This is SourceFed. I'll see you in the new year.